Good day, this is Sir Ben, and we are going to solve problems regarding rational equations. No? We will solve for x for this rational equation. Okay, we will use the ship solve of Casio. Our model here is Casio 991 ES or ES Plus. Okay, I'm using a simulator here, FX570BN. Okay, parehas lang naman din. Okay, let us solve for x to 2 over x minus 3 over 2x is equals to 1 over 5. Okay, so we write this in our calculator. So just follow the instructions here. We press the fraction button and then 2 for the numerator and then press the down button. And then for x, we will use the alpha and then here is the close parenthesis pero meron siyang x na pula, the red x. So that will we will be using the red x, so it becomes the letter x. Okay, then press the right button, minus, then again the fraction button. We have 3 as a numerator, then down to the denominator, then press 2. Again we will use the red x, so we use or press the alpha, then the close parenthesis for the red x. Okay, then right, and then for the equal sign we will not press the equal here, but we will use the shift, or sorry, the alpha calc here. That will be the equal sign, so alpha calc, then the equal sign will appear, and then press the fraction button again, then numerator 1, then down 5. Okay, and then we will not press the equals here, but instead we will press the shift solve. Okay, shift solve, and then the calculator will ask solve for x, then press equals. Okay, the answer here is 2.5. X is equals to 2.5. Similarly, in our module, x is equals to 5 over 2. Also, that is 2.5. Okay, another example. Another example, we will use the number 2 of the assessment card. Okay, so this one, press the fraction, then we have alpha x minus 3, down to the denominator, press 2, and then right side, press alpha calc, nalalabas yung equal sign, and then again press the fraction, then alpha x plus 1, down to the denominator, press 3. Okay, and then shift solve na tayo, shift solve, so equals, so therefore our answer here is x is equals to 11. Let us check for the answer, number 2. Okay, this is the correct answer, x equals to 11. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, Sir Bren, and I will see you on my next upload. Goodbye and God bless.